Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ConvertKit affiliate link tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, log in to your ConvertKit account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Click on the integrations tab in the menu. Scroll down to find the affiliate section. Here, you'll see the option for adding your affiliate link tracking. Now, click on the Add Affiliate Link button. You'll need to enter the URL of the product or service you want to promote. Make sure to verify that the URL is correct. Next, provide a descriptive name for your affiliate link. This will help you easily identify it later. Once you've filled in the details, click on the Save button. You should now see your newly added affiliate link listed under the affiliate section. To test the tracking, copy your affiliate link. Open a new browser window and paste the link. Make sure the link redirects correctly to the intended product. Return to your ConvertKit account and check the tracking data for the link. This will confirm that your link is set up correctly. If everything looks good, you're ready to start promoting. Keep your tracking in mind for future campaigns. That concludes the quick tutorial on authorizing ConvertKit affiliate link tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.